जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 6th श्लोक। Arjuna is saying to Krishna, "Oh Krishna, we don't even know what would be the result of this entire battle. We should be fighting it or we should not be fighting it. We don't even know. Are we going to conquer this or are we not going to conquer this? We don't know. But definitely, if I kill them, I would not be I would not be willing to live on this earth anymore." Oh Krishna, look at that. The entire Dhritarashtra's sons and the entire family and the army standing right in front of me, whom I do not want to kill at all. Having this meaning running in our thoughts, visualizing that we are sitting in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Paramatma is giving his Gitopadesam to us directly. Let us now chant the sloka. Nachaitad vidmaha kataranno gariyaha yadva jayema यदिवानो जयेयुः याने वहत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेवस्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः। Om. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing. If you realize that whomever you are very much in friendship, if you realize that they are no more good, they are very bad, do not ever continue your friendship or relation with them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep on cultivating love and devotion towards me. Keep on dedicating all your actions to me and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry anymore. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will definitely become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Oh Srimannarayana. The moment I realize that whomever I am in friendship, if they are no more good, if they are very bad, I shall not continue my relationship or friendship with them. Oh Srimannarayana. I shall always think about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on cultivating love and devotion towards you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my actions to you and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall definitely read at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi saying to all Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, when Krishna Paramatma leaving Hastinapuram, all those ladies from the palaces, they all went to the top terrace floors of the palaces, and from there they are all looking at Sri Krishna Paramatma, and because they are unable to bear the separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are all talking to each other about the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Oh my dear friend, do you know he is the one who killed Sisupala? Oh my dear friends, do you know he is the one blessed Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambavati? Oh my dear friend, do you know he is the one having sons named as Pradyumna, Samba, Amba? My dear friends, all those girls that received by Krishna Paramatma, all those princess, all those people are very, very fortunate for them to be received by, for them to be blessed by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Oh, my dear friends, he is the one who killed Narakasura. He is the one who accepted 16,000 girls, and he is the one who took care of them very well. Such Pundarikaksha, such Mahapurusha, such Pushkaraksha, he is the one. You know what? He is the one who used to be with all those 16,000 girls at a time in their homes and spending very, very good time with them while calling them with their own name with so much of love and affection. Such kind of high level bliss. He is the one who blessed to all those 16,000 girls. My dear friends, how blessed they are all to be blessed by, to be received by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like this, when all the girls are talking about Krishna Paramatma's glory and his supremacy and his compassion, Krishna Paramatma getting to listen to all those words, and now Krishna Paramatma looking at all of them with the same amount of affection and compassion. Nirikshanena Abhinandan. He is also with his own grace of vision, he is giving his gratitude, thankfulness to them for them to be praising his glory. With that kind of compassionate vision, he is showering on each and every one. Sasmitena yayau harihi. He is also, Krishna Paramatma, giving a beautiful smiley face to every one of those girls. And now Krishna Paramatma slowly leaving Hastinapuram. When Krishna Paramatma leaving Hastinapuram, Dharmaraju felt that there should not be any kind of disturbance to Krishna Paramatma on his way back to reach Dwaraka Nagaram. That is why Dharmaraju arranging the entire army, Radha, Gaja, Turaga, Padati, all kind of categorized army people, Chaturanga Balam it is known as, Dharmaraju arranging to go along with Krishna Paramatma to safeguard Krishna Paramatma. This is all Dharmaraju doing out of his affection and devotion and care towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. Not only that, while Krishna Paramatma living in his chariot, Dharmaraju and all these people started walking along with Krishna Paramatma's chariot. Unknowingly they have gone so far, they were unable to leave Krishna Paramatma and come back. Adha duragatan saurihi. Even after leaving the entire palace and the entire town, still Dharmaraju and all other people following Krishna Paramatma with heavy hearts. Krishna Paramatma noticed that and said so many convincing words to every one of them, and finally Sannivartya, he convinced all of them to go back. So finally Dharmaraju and all other people are giving send off to Krishna Paramatma and coming back. Now Krishna Paramatma prayat swanagarim, he is now heading towards Dwaraka Nagaram. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 6th sloka. Nachaitadvidmaha kataranno gariyaha yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuhu yaneva hatva na jijivishamaha tevasthitaha pramukhe dhartarashtraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.